The invisibility of length contraction. Taken from the August 2019 issue of Physics World. The idea that objects contract in length when they travel near the speed of light is a widely accepted consequence of Einstein's special relativity. But if you could observe such an object, it wouldn't look shorter at all. Bizarrely, it would seem to have been rotated, as David Appel explains. If the Starship Enterprise dipped into
the Earth's atmosphere at a subwarp speed, would we see it? And if the craft were visible, would it look like the object we're familiar with from TV, with its saucer section and two nacelles?
Well, if the Enterprise were traveling fast enough, then, bright physicists that we are, we'd expect the craft to experience the length contraction dictated
by special relativity. According to this famous principle, a body moving relative to an observer will appear slightly shorter in the direction the body's traveling in. Specifically, its observed length will have been reduced by the Lorentz factor, 1v2c2, 102, where v is the relative. Topics. Latest content. Magazine. Physics World Live. dy moving relative to an observer will appear slightly shorter in the direction the body's traveling in. Specifically, its observed length will have been reduced by the Lorentz factor, 1v2c2, 1/2, where v is the relative velocity of the moving object and c is the speed of light in a vacuum. However, the Enterprise won't be seen as shorter